So here we are in our shop, 307 Adventures, and somehow the door latch is frozen. It's broken. Don't know what happened. Could have been maybe one of those negative 20 days that I couldn't get the door unlocked, so I poured water into it thinking that would help, and all it did was freeze things up. So my hero, Will Morgan, is going to get after this with a Sawzall, because we cannot think of anything else to make this thing open, to try to bust loose the problem that we're having so that we can put a new mechanism in here once we actually go find one of those at a picking yard. So it is all fun and games here at 307, just another typical Saturday before we hit the trails.
As Aaron mentioned, we've got this door on this TJ. This thing will not come open. I mean, I have pulled the interior handle out, tried to get the levers that move the actuating system for the door lock itself to open up and release. It is so bound up. We have tried to get in there with picks. This door is not coming off, so we're going mad scientist on it. So we're going to cut this, hopefully cut this latch system itself loose. That way we can get the door out. Going to swap out a new latch in the door itself, and then of course have to replace the connecting point that I'm about to cut off. When in doubt, cut it out. Are you ready?
All right.
All right.
Yay, success!
We got to figure out why that latching system failed on us, but it was bound up more than any Jeep door I have ever seen. And like I said, we spent a couple hours trying to pry that thing open. That latch wouldn't release. Matter of seconds, Sawzall took care of it.